Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use color grading in CapCut PC. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have created a project in my CapCut PC application and I'm going to use color grading for this video. If we want to use color grading feature in CapCut PC, we have to click on the video or the clip we have imported to the CapCut project. And as you can see by the outline that now the video is active, and then we can go to the video and go to the adjustment. Okay, and in this adjustment section or this adjustment menu, we can select this HSL. So this is the color grading feature in CapCut guys. As you can see, there are some colors we can adjust. And for example, I'm going to make my video more orange. So I'm going to adjust the orange color. I'm going to reduce the tint. And for the saturation, I'm going to increase it. Okay, around 50. And for the lightness as well, I'm going to reduce it. I'm going to make it minus. Alright, you can also adjust other colors if you want. But here I'm just going to adjust the orange color and the red color. I'm going to adjust the saturation of this red color. And for the yellow as well, I think it will be good. I'm going to reduce the yellow color for the saturation. Again, you can adjust it as you like guys. It depends on your video. And here it's already done. This is the final result. Alright guys, and that's how we can use color grading feature in CapCut PC. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.